this is the way into town. You get here, you take a right. In that corner, there's no lights, so you just work it out. You go if you want, you hang back if you want, up to you. We went past a sneaky police stop where they were looking for masks. We had ours on. So we waved to them, they waved to us. All good. Todo bien. I've seen 9 people in these. Here's your fire department. And here's your downtown port area. Pretty nice. You've seen this before from the opening video. That's where the actual port is right there where all the stuff comes in. Those are like shrimp boats, or not quite sure. I'm pretty sure they're shrimp boats. Forrest Gump would know. And his buddy Bubba. Bubba Gump. That's right. No windshields on this, so I can't mount the GoPro on the windshield like I usually do on these things, but it's okay. Handheld's not bad. Like I said, no traffic lights. They got them, but they're not on. Position. I do have a mirror. No horn, no side mirrors. We ate their seaweed. It sucked. Now coming up here on the right is where a lot of the tours leave from in the mornings. Oh, by the way, this is supposedly a very good, we have La Regatta. It's supposed to be a very good restaurant. We have not eaten there. We tried to get in. They turned us away. They were booked. They wanted us to wait like an hour. We said, no, thank you. This is where you catch a lot of the tours to go out to do certain things. We're actually on our way to go see Alex, the guy who rented us this mule, because he also runs tours or middles them, not sure. But we trust the guy, we like the guy, and we're gonna go do some business with him. Isn't that right, Jeannie?
Yep.
It's like night and day compared to last weekend over Easter break. This place was mobbed. Just it looked like Mardi Gras. The streets were filled with people everywhere. These Kawasaki mules are the way to get around. I know I've said it before, but they really are. Okay, here we go. I think Alex is there. Okay, we're all set. We're going to come down here at 8:30 tomorrow morning. That's Alex, and he's gonna help take care of us tomorrow morning. We're doing the super full. We're gonna be going to Johnny Key. We're going to Hayes Key where the aquarium is, and then we're gonna go see the manta rays.
I swear, that is true.
See you tomorrow, Alex. And that'll be 70 pesos each. 70,000 Colombian pesos each. Okay, so continuing on, this is the end of this road. Now it turns into a walking street. And I think we've taken you down this a little bit. If not, we'll get you some footage of it. As you can see, this main street is a walking street. No vehicles. Plenty of stores. Plenty of places to get stuff to eat. I'm thinking we go this way. What do you think?
Whatever, which way you want. That's like the Malapan down there.
You want to go that way?
Whatever, which way you
Let's
like.
go that way. This looks like more stores and stuff.
We'll go revisit that anyway after with when I'm looking for my nail polish.
That's right. Did you say good morning?
Good morning, everyone. I'm in paradise.
Jeannie loves it here.
What's not to love? There's a nice breeze because being right on the water, and this watercolor is incredible. It's just beautiful.
We're going to try our best not to disparage any previous places we've been to because they simply can't compare to this. Right?
They can compare, but this is by far one of my favorites. Look at the island over there.
Mm-hmm. We're going to be doing a lot of exploring.
That's Johnny Key.
I believe it's K.
Key. I said K yesterday and I got corrected on P.
You want to buy stuff? They got it. You can rent one of these little tents for the whole day. Not sure what the price is. Up here on the left is Casablanca. We looked into that place, but it was really expensive, and we weren't sure we were going to get good value for it, for the spending money. So we picked somewhere else, and it's in the middle.
I'd rather not be up here because this is where all the tourists are, and
right.
It's really packed with people, especially over this holiday
with
weekend.
No mask on, like this?
Yeah.
A lot of super spreaders here when it packs in. So.
Well, we already saw a little bit of that last night.
Right.
Where it was so many people.
That's not Casablanca.
Why do you say that?
No, it is. Yes, it is.
Okay.
I stand corrected.
I did a lot of research. I know exactly what it looks like. This is supposed to be the best hotel here on the island. It's very expensive. We considered it, but decided not.
Get one of those ocean view terraces, but again, we backed out because of the locals.
And then also,
Not the locals, the tourists. excuse me, we're with the locals.
The place we have is really right on the beach. This is across from the Melatown, so.
I think we have to go this way to get in.
Get in where?
Oh, there's a restaurant right there.
There's tons of them down there.
Well, there's a restaurant for them.
Oh, you want to go there?
We can go check it out. We're in search of breakfast. Hola.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. And it looks to me like it's closed.
Doesn't have to be anything elaborate.
They look like they're open for breakfast. Here's a sign to Sanyo.
Yeah. And it's probably one of few because there's so many people here.
Need a restaurant, my friend, restaurant?
You want to just do this? Huh? Okay. Alrighty then, let's go in. Alright, we pulled into the Sea Watch Cafe to have a little breakfast. Good morning, how are you? Bien. You said? Good, good. English menu? No English?
No English?
Alright. Open kitchen, nothing to hide. I see some fruit juices down there, they look good. Okay, so we left this place. We sat there sucking our thumb for about 15 minutes with a menu in front of us, and finally we said, we're out of here. And that's the way it goes.
As my father always said, there's no food in the world worth waiting for.
Well, we didn't even get that far.
Well, meaning that he wouldn't wait in line at a restaurant to get in. Oh, look. I thought that was nail polish. It's liquor.
Want to take a quick walk out here onto this point? As you can see, it's 10 o'clock and it's starting to get more and more busy. Let's take a quick look out on this point. They're trying to do a good job on recycling. Kudos right there. You know, you got this same seaweed situation that we had in Puerto Morelos.
Not a lot, though.
Right.
Very minimal.
You can see all the beautiful different colors. They say San Andreas is the island of 7-color water. And I can see that. And you know this week we'll be putting that drone up. That's Johnny Key right there. Right, Jeannie?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be going out there too. Basically, the plan is right now is to wait for all these tourists to leave the island after Easter Sunday. And that should they should pile out to the airport probably around Sunday and Monday. So that leaves us the rest of the week and next weekend to do all these things.
See, these people are snorkeling right here.
Yep. You can do parasailing, boating to the islands, snorkeling right here. Lots to do. Beaches, sun tanning. They got jet skis, you want to do that? They got that stuff here. All right, onward. Lots and lots of stores to buy all the stuff you want if you choose to carry stuff around with you. Because if you're on vacation, there's nothing wrong with buying stuff, bring it home, souvenirs, stuff for your friends, family. Why not? Burger place. I wouldn't mind trying a burger there. Okay, and now we're back out on that main road that we came in on, and this is what takes you out. So I'll cut it from here. You've seen the downtown now.